Good morning. I woke up and I decided I'm going to make some pancakes, sort of like my last meal, while I have a pot of beans. Well, in my last meal in this place, maybe might cook later. I'm so tired. Been packing and packing and see all my stuff, but I have my pot of beans cooking for later that has ham in it. The beans do have ham. I'll show you in a minute. They soaked for quite a bit. My pinto beans, onions, ham. I didn't have any bell peppers, and I'll put some garlic in there. And basically, those are fresh peppers, and I'll put some garlic in that. And I have it on high, and I'll let that slow cook all day in the slow cooker while I finish packing up my stuff. Here are my pancakes. So yummy. And there you go. Oh, that one scorched a little, but when you have the right heat, if it turns out like this, it's because it didn't cook properly. I'll probably discard that one. But basically, you want to make sure you have plenty of oil. This is a little tilted because this skillet is pretty much my favorite one that is perfectly packed up. But this one I'll probably be taking with me, and because it's very versatile. It has some ridges on the other side. Yeah, I know that looks sloppy, but hey, this doesn't have any leavener in it like your yeast or your baking soda, but it has egg, which makes another source of leavener. And yeah, and this is my sort of like it's not a spatula, it's a scraper. I think that's what you call it. It's been a while since I've been in my classes, so yeah. Basically, I'm going to use this done, and you see how all the oil is going downhill, and that's because it's uneven, and there's nothing I can do about that but try to maneuver this, but it's still going to be tilted, so oh well, it is what it is. So that's the best I could do. So I'm having pancakes on Saturday morning. Okay, that's better. So I could take some of this oil, the reserve oil that spread, and it's a coconut oil with sunflower, and then I mixed a little bit of butter so the butter wouldn't burn. And then just kind of, yeah. And I'm watching Contact. I love that movie. I woke up early this morning. I just laid in bed. I was exhausted. My body was hurting, but hey, it is what it is. So, and then just add some maple syrup to that, and you have a wonderful meal. Okay, I'll talk to you later. This is my sloppy buckwheat spelt banana, cinnamon banana. I know I got it all mixed up. Let me see. Cinnamon banana buckwheat spelt pancakes. All right, have a good one.